Okay, just a quickie. Now you can see all the cement is drying up, and it's drying up very white. So I'll just show you what I'm doing here. Gloves, because when you get this stuff on your fingers it really does soak in. So there's a big cup of water, a half pint, and that's just two tiny capfuls of the mortar dye in there, and then that's just applied like this, like so. Just let that soak on the sides, everywhere where there was cement. You know, there's stains on the side of the thing there, so you know, these, look, just get rid of them like that. Excuse me, I seem to have the sniffles. I think I've caught a cold. So there we go. It's as simple as that. It looks really, really black right now, but when it dries up like a charcoal grey. he says hopefully. Okay, so there you go. That's just how I dye the ballast. Okay, so after all that, I've got all the way around there to do. Okay, cheers, bye for now.